Welcome to Research Rocks. If you are student, researcher or PhD or MPhil student, so this video is very important for you. In this video, I'll provide you detailed demonstration, free online plagiarism checker, and that one is really interesting as my experience. So how to do it, which platform and how we are using these features absolutely free. Before start anything, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply click here new tab and just put it this link. I already put it this link in same video description, and boom, look at this platform name is a Rephrase. Inside the Rephrase here article rewrite features also available, plagiarism checker, grammar checker, text summarization, and so many options are available, not even in plagiarism checker, but today we are targeting just only plagiarism checker. You can check as a one by one yourself. Before start anything, we need to sign up. So I just simply sign up with my email address, and you need to upload here as a PDF or Word document. So I will provide you, this is my demo documents. I write one research article. So this is a title, abstract, keywords and introduction. You just consider entire paper, but here one disadvantage come here, just only 1000 words take this platform free of cost. I just simply upload demo. So like you can divide your paper 3 to 4 part and then upload one by one. I upload here, so the entire text are coming here, and now I check the plagiarism. So this platform are providing me information, how much percentage is a plagiarism and how much percentage is unique. Wait till complete the 100%, and almost is done. Look at this, just only 7% is unique and 93% is a plagiarism. Unique, just only the title is unique, otherwise entire research article is plagiarism. Because of those research article is myself, I already published this research article. Look at this, here is my name, and the source copy of source contents also display here, all where is available the contents, where you bring this related information. So that one is really amazing. All contents, all detailed informations comes here under the section. You are copy this and this one, so you can find out and reduce your plagiarism if you are writing research paper, and that one is absolutely free. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.